got one on, Marcus?
He's reeling up.
Going back down more?
Once he's up.
We're up. Go ahead and back down.
And stay out this way. Keep the engine this way.
Back up on him? I got you.
He says wait. Just wait.
Yeah, this way. Just hold that.
Yeah, push it.
He was just heading the rod holder. He wasn't even doing anything.
Yeah, I'm going to get it to your side, man.
Follow that stick right there.
Okay. Oh, sea lion coming up.
No.
Is that your fish?
Yeah, go back down hard.
No way.
Oh my
Is
God.
that your fish, bro?
That's a what?
Es un pescado ahí.
No way.
Back down. Keep going. Come on, you're gonna get wet.
Mom.
No way.
What a jerk.
Oh my God.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, look. There he just rolled.
Okay, slow down.
Slow down. No way.
He's coming.
What if the sea lion gets hooked?
Are you still on, Darren?
Yeah,
Head. Nothing but heads. That sea lion had a different fish.
No, he's still on there. He's still back.
Come to this side. Bro.
No, wait, just a second.
Let's just rod. Here's if you had a steel bomb, you throw it in there and just scare the piss out of it. You pour it in him. That's another fish.
Keep going.
Back in?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'm going. That's not your fish he has in his mouth.
Yeah, it is.
That's his fish.
Oh no.
You got a sea lion on the line.
Oh my God.
Back down.
Reel.
That sea lion's fighting. No way. Oh no.
Coming forward a little, Marcus.
Other way. Turn
Other way.
Hold on, that's good.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Holy
shit! That sea lion was crawling in the boat, man. Well, look at his guts.
Look at the size of that fish.
That's
Look
huge.
at that. Man, I got it on video too.
Look at that fish. Epic battle.